ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar, your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Dagis pangut ki Samla Pule ki Bangat Center St. Mary's Mazzarello Higher Secondary School Jowai haringkat ke Jingbitar ki kmi kipa kilawan tur Kynsan syakate ke sekolah ka Hendro Terik Jemang ban penpau ke Jingbitar halor ke Jingbakla kerukum aikot jingkeli ha examen need ha kate ke center ya kani ke exam la khat pelong da ka NTA ha ka Santerik Jemang ki Samla ki be khun ya kani ke exam ha bai crunch kila pathai ku bor kila Kynnoh bakla dan ke Jing Thurmur ha ka Jingpenya exam ha Jowai Center ha St. Mary's Mazzarello Girls Higher Secondary School Jowai kila Kynnoh ba Jing Thurmur kalalong nadu kerukum ai jingkeli bat ke Jing Shemi ke admit card halor gani ki khana ke be khun exam ila ai da ke Jing Tho show controller ka need lingba ka center bat la pha ko piru show menteri ke Pule puthi ke sarkar jilla show DC bat ki we
sister in forward chatting. Tang kita bana jrom ki bala ban batai. Ma ki bala ban batai ki ban kan so tho ye phi. Ni gimla sister imla. Kami masih wantang sai sister.
Terbiak inte hab tho I ti jing tho I macam bakla no. I macam bakla obesity forward ni.
Oi, kata terbiak.
Koi thao chen mu ke.
Nin for example, bon igna sam tu. Our main problem to three problem more. They say the problem was the first problem to confusion in two different set of papers. One is QRST, which is officially used by the NTA, and the second is the MNOP, which we cannot find anywhere in the internet or any news also. And the second problem is the delay in timing of starting the exam, as many students complain that 30 minutes were taken just before the exam. And then the third is about the admit card. They didn't collect the admit card after the exam, and later on by 9 PM or like that, I came to submit my admit card. So that is the three main issue. The main issue we want to highlight is that we want the clarification whether it is officially released by the NTA or it is some glitch or I don't know what happened. Maybe because it's happened only in this center, and I had some news in Manipur, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, 1, 2, 3, but that's not officially. But here we have experience officially. So that's the main problem.
Kau RG orang sang exam ni, tapi kau di imo RG booklet juga RG armo. RG kita confuse nang kawan attempt saya gawi. Mana attempt kita gawi, tapi kau sopa minit. In the midway, the orang lagi kan ni kau RG kau bakla, ini gawi. Hei saya mau sopa minit dia kau porno, tu sedang David dia sedang ini. Sampai report, mana dia report kita san minit. Sampai report saya itu.
Why more clarification about babaklan at the center more babaklan NPE more talk where the call more marks in the for exam that talk nga talk the talk last year the kwa more in last year either talk either chim the you admit kan the man sia pala more lem chim gi admit kan lo nai the le li sin so sin the kali for exam hall wai lem chim more admit kan kali ma kali nga than kali ma kali you to mam wai lem chim giในภาอีกัดชุดถอยเลยชิมไว้ก็มันก็สบีพีอาร์ตัวนี้เปเปอร์มันคอนฟิวส์พีอีขนาดระดับงานระดับทอกับปีปองอยู่กระไรมั้งตั้งว่ามันระดับเอาทอแต่มาชิเต็นทอสามันกิสบีองกิฮับสวิตช์พิชิตก็ถูกแต่ตะกี้น้องเป็นลายองสวิตช์แต่ฮับสวิตช์น้องอีขนาดกัดว่าแนวติดแต่หมดอีวีต่อฮับ qua yêu tiệp của bậc lan nơi anh chị mau bậc lan nơi gì phần lai mà sẽ Sang gì mà tăng qua delay kita one year đi vi càng vui gì kêu lệ xin đấy one delay xin số xin san xin đủ cái tham lệ one cái số xin san xin một em đi học nó chỉ tiêu lệ chỉ xin respect hết của rõ xin lệ the one gì chỉ bet one sang cái tu vậy học đủ đang ông ấy được làm ông man học đủ sang gì rồi tiếp bơm mơ gọi đầu one sang gì là tiền đặc biệt đấy tăng qua ý lại cái này chua thổi quay concentrate em quay đi distraction một one pi một phân biệt biang pi say tu một one pi say này say sen này quay một lệ cái lệ một smooth mà lệ one pi chỉ sen đẹp pi từ biang buat pen ari di day nên là em give the source name list name prepare meet ki em quay đi cầm meet đâu man là one year we start we is name pi đâu pui nei jo bete jadi kita godang sedang thọ lệ this is the first experience là cái new experience first ki em siang hem hope de ki nong thọ sin de sin dengar lệ jo hi là cái new đang cam new ja first attempt đâu lose hope vào thọ yang say sin te một ye you would drop lệ wow em expect ikam ni whole year struggling stressy 1 week of stress đang một ito yo relief na mo dadap ka exam one yang say stress kam ni một em satisfied te wa either like deserve you yoga the extra timing em to wo one gi the man hap e wa di submit di na lo nei te le ka admit card yo i kali mo kam nga le do jo tho kali on man like is it to sket wo so ga chinga kan ki admit card four sigi like third like 3 times kam te em so sen four sigi wo chim gi mo ga admit card yo su gi le jadi chim gi le da mem kan ga le tang po gi ga answer script le su ma siang gi ban mana po ha gi lem bin gi chim mana po chi yung yo ka lo na gi lok yang na mo gi em kam submit ka te ga admit ka nga da phone gi lok gi tho cha sam gi tho shlong kaman whole process yang pi man ni tho exam pi em ma distribute ki atri ki paper em ma admit ka mem chim gi yang ki smooth ha mem jing auri mem jing Thurmur mem jing ring ha manila ha I mo ja gam ni một ít lệ em kita gi jing Thurmur một tip in wo kala gi na ki mo yang mem I wani hai ni mem kwa I auri mem kwa I mai I wani de akor mo kala mi ki por light submit I admit ka in mid le de akor re buram ong mo ne ha wo ro gi chim ki ka ai le ha im chim ki de ong gi em de ong ngam em yo em he por em wo ong kita gi blue ong gi tu gi admit ka pi le chim ka le ok le changa gi that is not right mem toy wo to ong kam te I kam gi khna thang mai ben sin man ong gi khle chana I le whole year prepare yo khle chana gi mo gi for me la de panda for me le we pay for that for the panda whole year open waste na lo ke te boy sa pa le waste ong gi khle chana it hurts nong students hurt but the parents come tam gi with the hope your life to exam gi kon yo center pen ha chwai with jan like our we yo mi ni yung la rap slam yo chong cha day with jai relax manajian kam ni ki le ki plim suk le ki kam suk ki kon tia ki bay pa lam suk le ki tia iten sa mun ki jing dua kam ki students to check gi like bakla yung ke skurma bakla eklarity gi wani was scared it was stop well to it would ye le yo rewrite yang ga exam mem yang ini rupam pelai kita ni ne do question paper hado ki timing ki thoi le ki timing ki thoi he sab thoi to rj tang ka yo tho chi rj ashten ar khasan nam to yo tho extra time lam mda ma the we ka question paper to we don't he ka series so em ka pqrst the wele me artly question paper question paper yo mnop the whole india yo pqrst nang QRST the ki kate yo ki tangwa I bai le mi gam kate ga atli ki ne pha ki nang kai le da ong kwa yu tho da ni ka series yang QRST ma tang em nge ki ong ki phe tho da tu rong so la hoi ne pha em rong sem rong so the I kwa yu tho em ki khana ki kwa tho rong stem tang e ri ki sa the em ro ki khana ki wa the dap tho yu tu rong stem tangwa dang mo kini en gi ka paper gi pen tho gi de rong so the chim sna phi nei te le chim por gi nang the extra time na mem e gi te em ro gi khana gi em ha ka tu ka mana signature mana dep sign de kam you thọ ki ka timing te ka timing lem em gi khana ki em thọ tam em biang instruction gi le hai ni nei pha ka em ha ka admit card le nei pha em wo hab sign ni te kam tu ka across photograph ka te lem ong gi ki lem em gi wa ong gi te gi khana ki dang thọ tham me ti te gi khana gi lem em gi khana ki thọ ko rem du te gi khana tham me te kim tip gi khana tham me nang te quậy lệ something that Nikki so ka the gym pun crack yang ila ta qua ma the gym for ha for whole year the waste gi for 1 year ma the em hara gi thọ so sen the sia phi waste high for gi nang prepare gi kan need the way ba le to ba yo i the question paper ko biang hi tam pheri ma we yo i le ka question paper ki buklu mar gam ga ka MNOP ko wa support khar bem gam ga te sia buklu mar asa qua yêu lệ sort cái something the either rewrite cái exam nó mà comment sẽ tạo như cái cầm yếu hay gì cho thằng QRST thì chỉ even với lại giỏi cái MNOP và PQRST thì em cái khăn này cái qua thọ được cái real làm chạy cái này cái vậy mà ibe edo to mà nó ongi cái này cái và mà nó phân biệt cái tầm biên cái thế mem accept cái thế ông bị cái to instruct cái gam ni đấy áp cái khiên thế thế so sai.
First of all, I came to inside the exam hall. After the bell ring, he given the question paper. First one with the red one OMR sheet. After 20 minutes, he even after that he given that blue OMR sheet exam paper. That he told again after 20 minutes he told that return back that one question paper so that you have to attempt only one question. Then I told that actually my mode of question paper that is Hindi, but he given me in English paper. Means nearly 50 minutes he wasted our time. Even the teachers who come as invigilator, that was also inexperienced. He don't know how to take an exam, how to take an attendance. Even every students have make mistaken there, even in attendance also.
And this is your first attempt?
Yeah, no, this is my third attempt. Even in the classroom also, I raise a voice against that. There is a very big mistake happened here, but she take my words very lightly. Even with the principal, even all the teachers, I asked him, this is not the way you are taking the examinations to the students. This is totally wrong with the students, because every single minute for students, that's a valuable thing. Even a single marks is very useful for students. By single marks, maybe you get a medical college, or by single mark, you may be not getting any medical college. So that you must be raise a voice against this exam, because these things will give you the only rising voice. You will get your exam reconducted. Otherwise, maybe no one will raise your voice. Okay.
Con itu penpau ke jisau ya NTA ko EE ke ni galat kondak ke distrik ini ndai adin wuri yo ke ni galat pen yo penban ida ka ko o Jingbitar penban ni kon ki kini ki bang te isnya man isnya rem yo to man no kami tapi adin wuri de kau ki exam yo ki ke mi kenram orang ki wa ki invigilator depan ni ki admit card ki si Andre em the confusion an harus kita contradict wa em ki invigilator ong imam ka kan kam te hado ki stage mi yang ni ko ki kena submit Pati kalau confuse ki ni kita nak school ila kam jo ki bai Cuman di ni kam bagi pa kan em community yang mak wa to exam niในดาวมันคุยกับยุงขนาดว่าแค่ต้องคุยquestionมันคุยกันรู้อันนี้ที่ดาวในเรียบพูนเรียบไปอีปราบไปกุปาวนักสกุลdiวันini kamu festival stand hat diวันini di penbaik dia kelam ini star mana puai te mana keli ki usna pelai opi kani ke santar ini mana keli ki jing keli gotok na tai ti lem tip ngai jupat hadir na kiri penbaji han baya wa puai thao trong lam man bai nu kam ke pa dai lat ni hak thu ye ga ben siki thu siki tu waye de pakhat lang ni wa yik e mi khon yo ni khat pi chisnam kulut strap ini ta kon ke na le dai man puai ni wan man ong yo ar ni pasal kami garum yo ar ni kami yo dai ki bun ni wa kat kam ki cham ni pasal yo kita kunto mana pa ilagan net mana pa ilagan sarki kini ki tunjang stitiu ko da sol ki ai gan sarki dai chami wa bun na padi yo kam kon yo ngala tho na ketiga person ko man ka sampil ni man kamu tiga mau tes lah ini kita man yo wan ini mulai cham ni pakhat lang ni ki chike yo kon te da kwa wa mo padi kering stitiu yo net address cete dat yo pi wa mbaga cing rekam dai dong ini ka santar wa kile ya rapi bo hai ini seti saya aja sabit